Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Today, we're exploring the idiom throw shade and the phrase drama queen/king. These colorful expressions will not only spice up your vocabulary, but will also help you understand everyday conversations better. Let's see how these are used in real-life situations with our playful pals. First up is throw shade. This means to insult or criticize someone subtly. For example, if one friend says to another, "Nice outfit. Did you get it from the clearance rack?" That's throwing shade. Let's watch our friends demonstrate this. Now onto our phrase drama queen/king. This describes someone who overreacts to small problems. For instance, if a child spills a little juice and starts crying as if it's a huge disaster, they might just be a drama queen. Let's see how our friends react to a small mishap. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to throw shade and how to spot a drama queen. Remember, using idioms and phrases can make your conversations more colorful and fun. Keep practicing these expressions daily and watch your vocabulary grow.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.